Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 02, we will clean the data. Once a dataset is uploaded, raw records from Scopus and Web of Science almost always carry some inconsistency, such as author names spelled in different ways, overlapping keywords, and a mix of document types and languages. Cleaning these first makes every later analysis far more accurate. Let us begin. Click the Data Cleaning menu. At the top, you can see the Data Readiness Score, which measures how ready your data is. This score combines 5 components, each with a different weight. Metadata completeness contributes 40%. Keyword harmonization contributes 20%. Author consistency and affiliation quality contribute 15% each. And reference integrity contributes the remaining 10%. The higher the score, the readier your data is for analysis. Now let us explore the components. Open the Completeness tab. This tab shows how well each metadata field is covered across all the records. Pay attention to the fields that do not reach 100%. DOIs, author keywords, and index keywords are often incomplete because not every database supplies them. These figures help you know which analyses need to be interpreted with care. Besides completeness, there is also the Harmonization tab. This is where the system suggests merging entities that are really the same but written differently. For instance, one author appearing under 2 spellings, or one journal under 2 names. Merging them prevents double counting in the author, source, and citation analyses. Now for the part that matters most in a systematic review. Open the Doc Type Filter tab. The system shows the mix of document types inside the dataset. There are articles, book chapters, conference papers, books, reviews, and more, each with its count and percentage. Since we only want to analyze journal articles, click Deselect All to clear every checkbox. Then tick the article box on its own. Other types, such as editorials, notes, and letters, are commonly excluded from a systematic review because they are not full research reports. Now click Apply and Save. The system shows a confirmation listing the types that will be removed and the ones that will be kept. This confirmation appears because the change is saved permanently to the dataset. Click OK. A moment later, the panel refreshes itself. The record count and the readiness score are updated straight away. The next step is filtering by language. Open the Language Filter tab. The system shows the spread of document languages inside the dataset. To keep the text analysis consistent, especially for keywords and themes, we will limit the data to English documents. Now click the English Only button. With a single click, only English remains ticked. Then click Apply and Save. The confirmation appears again, so click OK. The dataset now contains English language documents only. Look at the Data Readiness Score, which has just been updated. Our dataset is now leaner, more consistent, and ready for bibliometric analysis. You can also export this clean dataset to CSV using the Export CSV button. And with that, the data cleaning process is complete. With that, our dataset is now clean and tidy. In the next module, we will move on to the dashboard and read the main bibliometric indicators from this prepared data. See you there.